With all that's going on around the world, having a mask is something essential to keep safe. While we're all locked in, I figured I would show you guys how to make a mask. I'm here with my grandma to show you how we make ours. The materials you will need for this are fabric with whatever design you want, scissors, hair ties, a filter to put in your mask, and a template. Nanay, ano po unang gagawin?
Gagawa ng padron, pagkatapos pupunta doon sa tela, saka magbubutin. Lalagyan ng allowance.
So our first step is to make a kind of template for how big you want your mask to be. This can be out of anything. We made ours out of newspaper. Its purpose is to guide you while you're cutting. So make sure it's big enough for how big you want the mask to be. You put it on the fabric and then you cut around it. Okay, now na nagupit na po yung mga piraso, ano na pong gagawin?
Tatahiin dito, pagkatapos, o pag natahi, pag tataklubin ganon, para hindi naman tatahiin sa gilid.
The next step is to sew the bigger parts together 2 at a time. Then, you'll have 2 sides of the mask. Turn them inside out and put them together. Then sew the long sides together. And if you don't have a sewing machine or don't know how to use one, that's totally fine. You can definitely do it by hand as well.
Suot ang filter sa loob.
Now, this part can get a little tricky, but just try moving the mask around until the filter gets to the center. Now, sew the hair ties onto the sides in order for the mask to be able to stay on your face. So this is our finished product. It's the mask, the filter is inside. You put these rubber bands around your ears so that they'll stay up. And now you have a mask. Although we do have a mask now, we should still try to stay at home as much as possible. And remember to stay safe. In Tampa, Florida, Abby, Aragon, we live in interesting times.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel right over here. And if you like this video, make sure you check out our Digitalness curated playlist over here.